This is my 93 Toyota Camry, and somebody had broken my door handle, so I'm going to tell you how you can go ahead and change it. See, it's black color and the original one is green color. So so you gotta first take the cover off. The hard part is over here. You gotta stick some flat, like a knife, to take the cover off, and then you take this cover off. And then the tricky part is to get to the bolts over there, back there. First you gotta take this out, this whole plastic, take it out, because there's a pin in there. If you don't take it out, you're gonna break that pin. Then loosen, take these bolts out, this one, and then take this guy out. For that, you gotta stick this guy. You gotta stick this guy underneath it and take it out. Just a plastic, like a Christmas tree plug in there. And then also take these 3 bolts out. This one, and this one, and this whole thing drops down. So once this whole thing drops down, then you have access to the back bolt, to the back screw through here, because then it's going to be empty space here, and you can access the bolt from there. And what you're going to need is you're going to need one of these guys with a universal and a 10-inch, a 10 socket. So you just put a piece of tissue and put the screw in there, and with the swivel you can get it open and close it. Anyway, I hope this helps, because if it wasn't for my mechanic neighbor who told me to take this part out, so this part drops. There's no way you can access the back bolt, the back screw over there. So anyway, good luck. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need this guy, you're going to need this guy, and you're also going to need a screwdriver. And you also need one of these guys. Yeah, you need one of these guys to push in the little clips over here. Alright, good luck. Thanks, bye. And I bought my one from O'Reilly. They have the front left and the back right for about $30. You can buy it from O'Reilly. Okay, thanks, bye.